In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. This is the simple, reliable link you can add to your resume, email signature, or messages so people land directly on your professional profile. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. If you prefer, you can go straight to the site by entering its address in the browser bar. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual login so you land on your LinkedIn feed. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for your profile area. On desktop, this is typically your profile photo or an option labeled Me. Click that, then choose View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page, where your headline, photo, and experience are displayed. From your profile page, look for the option related to your public profile and URL. On desktop, you'll usually see a panel on the right side called Edit Public Profile and URL. Click that to open the public profile settings. This area controls how your profile appears to people who aren't signed in, and it also shows your unique LinkedIn URL. At the top of that public profile page or panel, you'll see your profile link. It typically looks like linkedin.com/in/ followed by your name or a combination of characters. To copy it, simply highlight the entire link with your mouse, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You can now paste it wherever you need by using Ctrl+V or Command+V. A quick tip: paste it into a note or a message first to double-check that it looks correct and opens your profile when clicked. If you don't immediately see the public profile and URL panel, try scrolling your profile page or widening your browser window. Labels can vary slightly, but it's almost always on the right side of the desktop profile view. You might also notice an option to edit or customize your URL in the same area. That's useful for making it shorter and easier to share later. That's it. Open LinkedIn, go to your profile, open the public profile and URL settings, and copy the profile link you see there. Save it somewhere safe so you can add it to applications and share it quickly whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!